What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Romelu Lukaku. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top. We want to bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, we're going to bring this in and then back out. And then line that up on the right side. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. And we want to go around that highlight. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left, then it's down, then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now let's draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start on the left side, bend this up and then out, line this up on the right. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. So starting on the outside, we're going to go up in the middle and then taper that back towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now just underneath the nose, let's add a curve for the mouth. Starting on the left, going up, and then down. In the center, we're going to step up, start with a point. Let's draw the upper lip, going up toward the left, and then down. And do the same thing on the right. Go back to the left side, draw the lower lip, coming down, and then up. Now let's draw the inside edge of the beard. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out, curve this around the cheek, and then in underneath the eyes. Now from here, we're going to come down and then in towards the corner of the mouth. Let's add a point along the inside, going up around the mouth and in. Come all the way around the mouth, and then go back up on the right side. Now we want to draw the outside edge of the beard. Let's start on the left, come around, and then in towards the jaw. Let's add another bump, coming down and then in. And we'll add a bump across the chin, coming down the middle, and back up. Let's go back to our thick black marker and fill the inside of the beard. Now let's draw the top half of the head. From the edge of the beard, we go straight up. Let's round out the head, go across the middle, and then down towards the right. Round out the head, and then come straight down on the right side. Let's add in the ears. On the left side, curve the ear going up, down, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook, going out and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start from the side of the chin, start with a straight angled line, coming down and out. Bend the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Let's connect the hips with the curve. Now in the center, we're going to step down and add a curve going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start back on the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to curl this up and bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside leg. Going out and then down on the left side on top of the foot. And it'll separate the bottom of the shorts. Starting back on the left, bend this down and then in. Now I'm going to leave a small gap and draw that same curve for the top edge of the socks. Let's add some more detail to the shoes. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across. And then from the inside of the ankle, we're going to draw that Nike swoosh. We're going to come down and hook that up, come down across the bottom, and then taper that up towards the ankle. Let's take that symbol and flip it over on the right. Come down and then up, come across the bottom, and then back in. Let's add a couple stripes underneath the edge of the sock. I'm just going to duplicate that curve twice, and do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a stripe across the edge of the shorts, coming down. Let's add the number 10 on the bottom right. So we're going to start with the 1, add an oval, and then trace that along the inside. Now I'm going to do the same thing in the center of the chest, but we're going to go a little bit bigger. Start with the 1, and then that oval. Now, we're going to go halfway down the side of the body, draw the inside edge of the arms, going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, come down to the side, come down and up, and then the 3rd finger is going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's go back to the inside of the arm and draw a curve going up and then out across the sleeve. And we'll add a stripe along the outside. Let's add a thick band on the right arm. We're going to step down, follow that same curve. Now I'm going to add a simple flame pattern along the bottom edge of the sleeve, starting from the stripe. Just going to bend this up, just add a point, and just work our way towards the inside of the body, and then do the same thing on the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Romelu Lukaku. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.